In this video, I want to share 18 reasons why I really like Dji Action 6. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessur. Today I'm sitting here by the river enjoying the view and recording this video on my Pocket 3 while holding Dji Action 6. This is not a comparison video. I'm not telling you what is better or worse. I just want to share my personal experience and what I enjoy when I use Action 6 for my daily videos. I've used it for walking, traveling and simple everyday moments. And every time I find something new that I appreciate. So today, while sitting here by the river, I'll explain all 18 reasons that make this camera one of my favorite tools. Alright, let's get started. My first reason I really like the Dji Action 6 is the 101-inch sensor. This sensor is the heart of the camera and makes a big difference. The moment you start recording, you notice how clean and detailed the image looks. The colors are bright but natural and the footage feels cinematic. The dynamic range is fantastic even when the sky behind me is bright and foreground is darker. Everything stays balanced. My face is not dark and the sky doesn't become a blown out white blob. Even in low light, like cloudy days or evenings, the footage stays sharp and colorful. I don't need perfect lighting for a good shot. The sensor handles it naturally. If you want your videos to look like what your eyes see, this sensor delivers. The second reason, the color science. Some action cameras overdo colors. They look too sharp, too bright or fake. But Action 6 keeps it natural. Skin tones look real. The green of tree look soft, not neon. The blues of the sky are gentle and realistic. Sitting here by the river, it feels calm and pleasant. And the best part, I don't have to spend hours color grading. The footage looks great straight out of the camera. That makes my workflow faster and easier. That's another reason I love Action 6. And the next reason is stabilization. Even though I'm sitting right now, I film a lot of walking videos. When I walk stairs or cross uneven ground, the footage stays smooth. The rock steady stabilization absorbs the shakes naturally. This makes my videos more enjoyable to watch and filming easier because I don't have to worry about holding the camera perfectly still. And the next reason is the Action 6 is super lightweight. When I hold it for a long period, like 10-20 minute walk or filming sessions, my hand doesn't get tired. A light camera means more stable footage and comfortable filming experience. Even if I attach it to a small stick, it still feels light. Perfect for vloggers who don't want to carry heavy gear like me. The reason number 5 is quick start up. The Action 6 starts recording almost instantly, just like this. I'll just press now. It's already recording. If something interesting happens, nice sunlight or bird flying by or cool scene, I can start filming right away. That saves moments I might otherwise miss. And another reason is the built-in microphone. For such a small camera, the audio quality is surprisingly good. My voice comes out clear and even with some wind or river noise, it still records well. Now I'm speaking to the internal mic of the Action 6, so you can hear the quality. I think it's not bad. I'm just enjoying the sunset. Look at this, how beautiful. And a lot of people fishing. I don't know, there are many big fish. Of course, it's not a professional mic, but for simple outdoor videos like this, it works perfectly. I don't need extra cables or attachments. So I love the mic, built-in mic of Action 6. Another reason why I like Action 6 is battery life. I don't want to worry about the camera dying in the middle of a walk or shooting session. Action 6 lasts long enough for extended filming, B-roll or casual vlogs, and if I need more, the swapping the battery is easy and quick. Another reason Action 6 doesn't overheat easily. Some small cameras stop recording after a while because they get too hot, but the Action 6 stays stable even in sunny conditions or long sessions. The reliability is a big plus for outdoors or travel filming. Another reason is the magnetic snap. I can snap the camera on or off in a second. No screws, no twisting, no complicated setup. It keeps filming fast and simple, which is really convenient when you want to stay creative. Another reason, POV. I can show what I see, my hands or anything from my perspective. The wide angle feels immersive. Switching between selfie mode and POV mode is super fast, which is perfect for vlogs. All right, another reason why I like Action 6 is the build quality. The Action 6 feels tough and reliable. I'm not scared of bumps or fast movements. The outdoor filming requires a durable gear, and this camera definitely delivers. The Dji Action 6 works perfectly for vertical and horizontal videos. The horizontal for YouTube or vertical for TikTok or Instagram. The quality remains excellent in both formats. Posting across platforms becomes easier and faster. And the touch screen, it's bright, responsive, even under sunlight. I can quickly check the exposure, switch modes, or adjust setting. The smooth experience makes filming effortless. That's another reason why I like Action 6. Another reason, when paired with DJI wireless microphone, the audio improves even more. It becomes clear and professional without adding bulky gear. Setup stays small and simple, perfect for vlogs. Reason number 15 why I like Action 6. Action 6 is true walk and talk camera. It's light, stable and fast. The quality is excellent and it doesn't distract me. I can focus on storytelling while the camera quietly handles the filming. One of the most important reasons why I like Action 6 is one-to-one square sensor. When I film in square format, I don't have to decide between horizontal or vertical. Later, I can crop for YouTube, Instagram or TikTok. Film once, use everywhere, it saves time and keep consistency. Another interesting reason why I like Action 6 is invisible selfie stick. Using a thin stick, the camera automatically removes it from the shot. The footage looks like the camera is floating or like someone else filming me. It gives a mini drone feel and looks very clean, even by the river. DJI's ecosystem. The Action 6 works seamlessly with other DJI products. Wireless mic, the apps, stabilizers. The menus feel familiar, the accessories fit together, and the workflow is smooth. It's not just the camera, it's part of a complete system that supports the creators efficiently. These are 18 reasons why I really like using DJI Action 6. It's simple, reliable, and perfect for kind of videos I enjoy. Calm outdoor vlogs, walk and talk sessions, and riverside storytelling like today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this relaxing video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. There are many more videos coming out. And what do you think about Action 6 or overall DJI products? Let me know in comments. Thank you. See you.